LM386 Low Voltage Audio Power Amplifier. The LM386M are power amplifiers designed for use in low-voltage consumer applications. The gain is internally set to 20 to keep external part count low. But the addition of an external resistor and capacitor increases the gain to any value from 20 to 200. LM386. Wide supply voltage range, 4 volts to 12 volts or 5 volts, 18 volts. More information you can read from IC manual. Suitable for professionals or hobbyists. Here, let's simulation the basic circuit for LM386. We use the Proteus program for simulation. And choose a circuit from LM386 manual gain 20. For the actual experiment. You can see examples on the internet, which many people have already made for you to see. Okay, we hope you understand about how to use LM386 for your application.